Sue Bird makes history. First WNBA player honored with statue in Seattle. Welcome to Flashfiy News. The Seattle Storm and the city of Seattle have unveiled a statue honoring Sue Bird, making her the first WNBA player to ever receive this recognition. The statue, now standing outside Climate Pledge Arena, where Bird spent her entire 21-year career, celebrates her legendary achievements as a 4-time WNBA champion, 13-time All-Star, 5-time Olympic gold medalist, and the league's all-time assist leader. Fans, teammates, and city officials gathered for the unveiling, marking not only a tribute to Bird's incredible career, but also a historic milestone for women's sports. What do you think, which WNBA legend should be honored with a statue next? Don't forget to let us know in the comments, subscribe and like the Flashfiy News YouTube channel to get all the viral news. Thank you.